So you might be trying to go ahead and trying to turn your specific blue messages on your iPhone to green. Now, I don't know why you'd want to do this, but basically if you want to go ahead and basically turn your messages from blue to green, it's a very, very basic process. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over and make sure that you have a SIM card installed on your phone. If you don't have any sort of SIM card installed on your device, that's basically going to cause the main issue. So what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and make your way over to your settings application. So click on settings right there. And what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see messages. So you just want to keep scrolling until you see messages right here. You want to go and tap on it. And what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and turn off iMessage. Now what's going to happen here, a few things are going to happen. One, iMessage is going to go ahead and turn off. iMessage is basically the way Apple goes ahead and relays those messages from your phone to their Apple servers to a different Apple device. If those Apple devices no longer see that you have iMessage, those messages that you have now are going to be green. So that is essentially how to go ahead and turn your blue messages into green messages. Now, most people probably want to go the opposite way from going from green to blue. But if for some reason you want to go and change it the other way around, you can change it from blue to green this way. And that's another option that you actually have. On top of that, if you don't even want to turn off iMessage, if you don't have an area with Wi-Fi or data, the messages that you do send are going to send as an SMS text message, and that's also going to be a great green message that's sent as well. So that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.